था।
कैसा ट्रेल अभी कितना, अभी पहले बोले थे गुड ट्रेल।
लीची 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 काट के रख दिया। आवाज बड़ी अच्छी है।
नहीं यहाँ बज रहा है, मुझे लगा पोस्ट ऑफिस में कोई बजा रहा है साला। मैं वही बोलूं, पोस्ट ऑफिस में कौन गाना बजा रहा है। Good morning guys, day 2 on Picoy Trail, and as you can see today we're going to finish stage 2 and stage 3. So we're going to go to Lullakundra and then to Tavalantini, and the trail, I think if you can see the hills and jungles behind me, so we have to go through that and reach our destination. So it's advanced trek they say today. Yesterday was beginners and the trail is advanced. Sorry, the trail type is advanced, and it should take us 10 hours. We plan to start at 6, but you know, it's 6:45, and so we should be hitting the trail by 7 after doing some quick breakfast. So let's go. I'll give you the updates on the trail. मुझे लगता है legal in India में lottery. We just ordered breakfast, but we did not order this many things. They're keeping everything and whatever we can eat. We don't know how much they're gonna charge us. So guys, we had a nice breakfast, like dosa and vada and sambar and rasam kind of thing, and it was very reasonable. It costed only 1600 and it was cheap. So my Wikiloc was going the other way, but I think we just have to climb this mountain. I had a feeling we are climbing this mountain because the elevation was going up and up, the elevation profile. So the Picoy Trail app and the Mappy.me is showing this way. It's like so majority wins. So we're going this way. Anyhow, I know I'll catch my Wikiloc trail on the way. So let's go. And you can see we are just climbing now. So let's climb. I can see the marks of Picoy Trail signage. So let's follow that. We are going this way up, and if you can see, I can see the marks. They're kind of hidden. So just have to look around and see where you're going. If you can see the marks, then you're on the right way. Okay. देख रहे हो मेरा हैक? Guys, this fell toward Lullakundra when we're climbing this mountain. There's so many leeches here. So better not stop if you're coming on rainy season to this section of the trail. And if you see this, it resembles the Indian mountains like Himalayas kind of thing. The trees is kind of, I think, teaks. It's they are in Uttarakhand a lot, so it's kind of similar. So many. Don't stop. Let's go swimming with this one. As there's a mark, so walking for so many distance, we could see that we cannot stop in this trail. It's full of so much full of leeches. They're everywhere. जो अगर जाएंगे रहूँ तो पैंट सुन लग लेने. चल. Came out of the forest. More 6 kilometers to finish the stage, but we are still not spared by the leeches. Just check this view. So nice. Guys, see so many leeches. अरे सुमित भाई इसके तो बुरे हाल है. बुरे हाल. सुमित भाई पकड़ो. मेरे 2 हाथ लगाने. हट जून पे.
छूट ही नहीं रहा.
अरे इसके अंदर लगेगा.
जूते पे
कौन तू चाल चुको ने अमर तो लागुनी हल चाल कहूँ ये तो खाई दे लंटर.
लगा खून निकला
तो
अरे ये जूते के अंदर भी है.
हाँ इसके बहुत है. गाइस सो मेनी लीचेस. मार उसको फेंक वहाँ बाहर से. यहाँ से पत्थर से ऊपर से. We'll have at least 10 to 15 leeches onto his shoes. And when you come in this trail below, don't go straight. You have to come up this way.
Behind.
10 to 15. He is not checking when I opened this much. I took a video also. Oh my god, guys.
These guys are removing the lychees.
Go bhitar. There's a lake there.
ये देखो ये पॉइंट लीची अंदर घुस गया मेरा.
तो घुसना ही था. Everyone has leeches. Wearing anti-leech socks. I have one, but I'm not wearing. I'll just run. These fucking leeches, they're ruining the view, man. Check this out. So I'm going to go जंगर पेंट भीतर पसी तार पसना मत जाना पड़ला कहना मत रक्त लगिला बाहर. Guys, I came running because I did not wear any anti-leech socks. I don't want to, so I came running. And these guys are very much down, so I'm just waiting for them, standing on a stone where there are no leeches, I guess. So these are few points. These are few points where you are immune from leeches. Once you go to the soil and trees and the bushes, you're that's the town of Del Tota, from where we came from. And I remember seeing that mountain yesterday. So we're coming from Galaha, that side. From there we came to here and we climbed and we are going. This is some other way. I'm not sure which area is that. Now Sumit came wearing his anti-leech socks. So guys, almost in the top of the mountains. Like the U-turns are done. Now just we have to climb straight upwards in a straight line and we'll reaching Lula Kandura. That's what our next stop. We'll stop and start for next stage. There are a few water sources on the way and this is one of them. But it will be more leeches here. Let's go. Yeah, so many. Guys, this is a nice viewpoint. We're stopping here for some time and then we'll continue that way. That's the trail that goes to Lulakandura, and there is a waypoint there, like James Taylor seat, James Taylor cottage, James Taylor statue. I don't know who James Taylor is. Maybe once we go there we'll see it. Who is he? There will be some information, and yeah, then we go that side. I think we should cross that mountain and check the clouds and mist and check the scenery down below, the trees, some towns, some villages. It's nice. the jungle. Into the jungle. Someone has burned firewood here, and I think we entered a tea plantation. Check. Past the jungle. We are onto a tea plantation now. See guys, if you can recognize, that's the tower. So we were below that mountain and we were there. We came like this. Guys, this is Lullakandura tea estate. Oh, is there parking? Like, okay. Lullakandura estate, James Taylor bungalow, ruins, Kurangla. I don't think we'll go there. We'll hit the trail. We have so many other things to see. Jao, jao. So guys, Jewel and Sumita waiting. We are gonna take a bit of detour and we're gonna go to James Taylor seat. That's this way. Yeah, let's go. We'll go and see what is there and come back. So guys, this is where we're going. And there is Sumit. Jewel is there somewhere. Let's go. Let's run. There is a tuk-tuk. Just we came to James Taylor's seat. What did I say? The granite seat where he sat and planned the future of Lullakandura across the valley. You see Victoria Reservoir. Victoria Reservoir. Where is it?
There's one small water body.
Man, while taking the video, he went. He's like, he knows I'm following him. What? Forget tape waters and trails. It's mountain water. You can drink it. James Taylor's seat. Granite seat where he sat and planned the future of Lullakandura. Seat what thila It says the tea estate open time is 7 AM to 5 PM. Strictly forbidden to stay post 5 PM. So Sumit bhai, run along.
What happened?
Aeroplane mode. It's an aeroplane mode. Because charge is only. रुक गए. Have decided to take some shortcuts, like instead of walking all these trails, we'll just go diagonally. And so we have been doing this from up. We traverse 2-3 states and we'll be doing that as well here. So careful, Sumit. We are saving time and we're also walking less. And since it's a long distance hike, it's okay to take shortcuts. Like, no one cares until unless you complete the trail. How was it?
Must.
Come on, that side, yeah. Come on. देखिए कि डे पे इम्मीद को Hi guys, so we are almost at the end of stage 2. We are going to reach the James Taylor statue. So that's the end of stage 2, and maybe it's 11:10. I'm not sure if we'll do lunch or we directly hit the trail for stage 3. Let's see. Maybe we'll pack something in that. Show me the tickets. These are the tickets. So this is the entry actually, where you pay for foreigners. Adults is like 1,000 rupees LKR. So we are exiting from here, and yeah, 4,000 for us. So I think this marks the end of stage 2 almost. So stage 3 will start somewhere. So guys, as you can see, this is the stage 3. 2 is finished. We're going to Lulakandra to Tavalanthana, and here we are. Yeah, get some energy drinks and some cakes or buns, something. So guys, we have stopped here before starting stage 3, and we are gonna skip the lunch today. No, they have this energy drink can, right? It's there. Something it's written like Red Bull. Just after stage 2, you have this to have some food, some quick lunch, and it's very cheap and reasonable. Guys, we've started stage 3. That's from Lula Kandura to Tavalentene, and the climb has started already, as you can see. And the elevation also shows us like we have to climb, then we have to go down. But my concern is the weather. It was sunny and clear, but right now it's cloudy, and I think it will rain for sure in 1-2 hours. As for the weather forecast, 12 p.m. was the one where rain was 90%. So we're hoping to. I don't want to, but it may. Let's see. Elevation. Check out the weather. It's all mist around. I don't know if it will rain or not. I hope not. It stays like this, it's cool.
एक्शन कर रहा था, उसने हाथ दिखा दिया. मैं कर रहा था ऐसे ऐसे करूंगा, उसके हाथ में जाएगा, वैसे पकड़ता.
Guys, it started raining a bit, then it stopped. The drizzling increased, so we all went into our rain gears. Which one?
Castor oil.
Okay.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು என்ன? ಡಿಟೋಲ್. ಓಕೆ.
Sorry. Oh, रास्ता.
See the train. This one.
What can we do? We have to go if that is a trail. Let's follow the map. I think we have to cross this jungle. Then we are done. Let's see. Guys, here are like no ways. Sumit almost stopped because jhadi hai, like so many shrubs, and there was no way here. but we have to go. Map is showing this way only. Huh?
ओ भाई
Python वगैरह
You scared me, bro.
Don't stop. Careful. Careful, Akhil. You are putting your legs. Look below.
How's the trick, Sumit bhai?
It's good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's go, let's go. Is it a clean area?
मैंने लगाया मैप.
जो पागल हो गए, खुजली होने लगी शरीर में.
इसका 360. Come on, guys.
आ जाओ. ओ चाचा आ जाओ, आ जाओ.
मेरा भी तो लो.
Finally, guys, finally, we're out of this fucking jungle. And we could see some houses and villages.
I think we'll go there and remove the leech.
Yeah, I will also do that. Kilometer left. Guys, see this? It's a leech bite.
12? Seriously? Only 3 kilometers?
Yeah, only 3 kilometers of jungle we crossed. Dense jungle.
That is not even 3 kilometers.
कैसा ट्रेल अभी कितना अभी पहले बोले थे इट्स अ गुड ट्रेल.
लीची 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 काट के रख दिया.
हाउ इज द ट्रेल?
ट्रेल एडवेंचरस बट
नो. So what? Poorly maintained.
Itching.
Guys, look from where we came. There was no way. It's full of big shrubs and plants, all like toxicated plants. It's itching everywhere. Guys, see, Sumit bhai bought anti-leech socks in 1K, and after wearing it, see what happened to him. See all these bloods. The leeches, like, they actually suck the blood from here, from his hand. I think the weather is deteriorating again. This side it's clear. वहीं रुकना.
ज़्यादा वीडियो नहीं है, लंबा थोड़ा नीचे जाने दो, नीचे तो लोगों को कहाँ जा रहे हैं। बैठ के आओ ना उधर, कहाँ से, इधर इधर ज्वेल भेज दी बोलो पूरा पे।
निशांत कहाँ रह गए? Come on, he'll come. It's raining a lot, guys. Guys, we stopped here for a bit. It's been raining a lot lately. We got a shed and we are waiting for a bit. We'll rest a bit and then we'll move ahead. So guys, rain stopped a bit and we have started. Nishant and Jewel are going. Sumit bhai and myself. Let's go. So 11 more kilometer. That's already 3:30 because of that fucking jungle. Got stuck, like we spent a lot of time in many reaches and it was accent as well. So we have to cover this 11 kilometer in 2.5 hours anyhow. Because at 6 it's going dark here in Sri Lanka, so we have to find a hotel before it's dark. Let's go. Again it started raining. We've come to some sort of village here. Just up to the tea plantation, maybe the workers stay here. And it's good to see the civilization back. What happened? Yeah? What happened? Oi, oi, oi.
You'll have one, then I'll give you complete. Go. Fall down. Good. Yeah.
It's waterfall, which we saw from distance. The sound is coming somewhere nearby. I think in Sri Lanka there are so many waterfalls, you know. So Nishan just fell down. I could not get the shot. So guys, Sumit and Jewel are planning to take a tuk-tuk to Tavalentane because it's still 7.5 kilometer and they are tired as shit. Nishant and me planning to walk. It's a temple here. बस भी है, पूछ लो. So guys, finally Sumit and Jewel decided to walk with us and not go in tuk-tuk. Maybe tomorrow they will see the options. So we're gonna continue towards Tavalentane. The problem is the off-road, the trail goes this way, but the road which like actual road where vehicles travel to Tavalentane, that's this way, opposite direction. So yeah, they let's take the shortcuts. बट देख के आना, लाइक वॉक केयरफुली. So it is becoming dark now. It's almost 5:55. It will become dark soon in 5 to 10 minutes, and we are still 3 kilometers away from Tavalintane. Actually, my trail map, like which I had the offline of Wikiloc, and it's pretty accurate, but the way it was showing was different than the one which Nishant is following. That's Picoi Trail app map, and mine was kind of a shortcut, but I asked some locals and they said not to follow the shortcuts but follow the road. So the road is more 3 kilometers, and we are going to follow the Picoi Trail map, and we stick to it. So 3 kilometers, 20 minutes. Yeah, let's go. Guys, check out this sunset. So nice. Now follow the trail. हटाओ उसको, मेरे मुंह के पास कहाँ ला रहे हैं?